G'day guys, how are you going? Well, I'm down here at Dobinson Spring Suspension in Dandenong, and they've got this brand new 76 Series Land Cruiser that's come in for suspension upgrade before it even gets registered. So let's get in the workshop. We're going to have a chat with Chris and see what's going on. Righto Chris, so here's all the layout here mate. Got this brand new 76 Series here, unregistered, going to have a full suspension upgrade. What's going to go on with it mate?
This client has decided here, he purchased a vehicle from Toyota. Now what he's told the Toyota dealer is he wants the vehicle enhanced by Dobinson's before he takes delivery. Now that's something we can offer. So what this customer has decided he wants to do, he wants to put a bull bar on this. He wants to put some weight in the back, some drawers, a rear bar. He's going to fully kit it out. What we've done is we've sat down, we've had a lengthy discussion with him on what he needs. He needs a car to do, and we've come up with a kit for him based on exactly what he wants to do and achieve. What we picked for this particular 76 Series is our 300 kilogram 50mm lift leaf spring. Okay, we've gone for a bull bar and winch spring on the front. Now that's going to support the bull bar, the winch, and give it 50mm of lift.
All that extra weight, yep.
All that extra weight, correct. The kit also comes with greasable shackles, high tensile U-bolts, sway bar spacer kit, and we've got some offset caster bushes. Now what this does, this is a very important thing, when you lift a vehicle, it reduces the caster, which affects the vehicle's drivability. This brings it back to what it should be, so you can pretty much just hold that wheel and it'll drive straight. Now this customer particularly has gone for our monotube shocks. Now this is our premium edition, so this vehicle is going to be essentially a tourer. So what he wants to do, he wants to be able to just drive with no problems whatsoever, hit some tracks if he wants to, have every option available, and this shock absorber here will handle that and more. Now these are our premium shocks, as I said. They're a 60mm bore, monotube design, rebuildable, and really good stuff. We're also going to put a panhard rod in this car on the front. That's going to help us just get that diff back into line where it needs to be, and this thing's going to be better than new in my opinion when we're all done with it.
Yeah, look, I'm sure this guy's going to be very happy with all this new gear. When you look at the standard suspension that's on it now to what's going to go on it, massive upgrade. So let's say we get the guys to get into it and get this suspension kit going up.
Well, let's enhance it, Tim. Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, mate.
Right Chris, so now we've got the standard ones out, the brand new black ones here, and here's the new ones going to go in. There's a big difference in the thickness of the coil, isn't there?
Absolutely mate, just even visually you can see there's quite a difference there. I mean, we're dealing with the OE coil, which is the 15mm wire, that's what we call wire. Yep. And our replacement is an 18mm wire. Now the difference is 245 pounds per square inch on that one from the OE. Yep. And 380 pounds per square inch on ours. What that means is you're going to get a lot more of a controlled ride, and it's going to support whatever accessories you put on there as well.
Well, I'll certainly carry the gear he's going to put on with bull bar and winch. So
yeah, definitely, absolutely, yeah. Alright, so for an Australian made product, that'll support the weight all day, every day, and give you a beautiful ride.
Aussie made, mate. Can't go too far wrong there.
That's right, absolutely.
The standard caster bush is pressed out, and each kit comes with a diagram so you can line up the new offset caster bush in the correct position. The new caster bush is then pressed into place.
Well, mate, I'm sure this guy's going to be very happy with the suspension upgrades on this brand new vehicle. Once he gets it registered, a few other bits and pieces put on it, then he can start his adventures around Australia. So if people want to get in contact with you, mate, at Dandenong, what is the best options for that?
So mate, they can give us a call, 9791 3686, or alternatively, jump onto the website, www.dobinsonsprings.com. It's very comprehensive and they can find out all the information they need there.
There you go, guys. Let's see you get in contact. Give Chris a call down here at Dandenong. Tell him Basey sent you, and fair chance I'll see you out in the bush someday. Thanks, mate.
Thanks, mate.